when photon of energy 4.2 electron volt strike the surface of metal A, the ejected photoelectrons have maximum kinetic energy Ta expressed in electron volt and de Broglie wavelength lambda A. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons liberated from another metal B by photon of energy 4.7 electron volt is Tb is equal to Ta minus 1.5 electron volt. It is given Tb is equal to kinetic energy of the Tb is equal to Ta minus 1.5 electron volt. If the de Broglie wavelength of these photoelectrons is lambda B is equal to 2 twice lambda A, then the work function of A is 2.25 electron volt. The work function of B is 4.2 electron volt. Ta is equal to 2 electron volt and Tb is equal to 2.75 electron volt. This has been asked in IIT 1994 for 2 marks. So what is given in the problem? It is given that first thing it is given that Tb is equal to Ta minus 1.50 electron volt. Now it is given, and secondly it is given that lambda B is equal to twice of lambda A. It is given in the problem, right? Now when photons of energy 4.25 electron volt strike the metal A, ejected photoelectron have maximum kinetic energy Ta. So what we know that Kmax is equal to energy of incident radiation E minus work function. So first equation for Ta we can write the kinetic energy of A. This will be equal to, now work function is 4.25, energy of incident radiation is 4.25 minus Wa, right, minus work function of A. This will be equation number 1. Now it is given that this Tb is equal to Ta minus 1.5 electron volt. So for Tb we can write this Tb is equal to Ta minus 1.50 electron volt, and this will be equal to how much? Work function, that is incident energy of incident radiation 4.70 or minus work function of B. This is equation number 2. So now this is for Tb. So Ta, if we will subtract this equation, right, if we will subtract this equation, so this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, and this will be plus. So we can have, देखिए ये Ta cancel हो जाएगा, and this will be equal to 1.5 electron volt. This will be equal to 1.5 electron volt, and this will be equal to minus of this is 5 and 4, minus of 0.45, right, plus Wb minus Wa, right? So this will give Wb minus Wa. This will be equal to 1.5 plus 4.5, and this will be equal to this will be equal to 1.95 electron volt, right? So Wb minus Wa is equal to this much, 1.95 electron volt, right? And secondly, we know this lambda is equal to, we know that this lambda is equal to how much? Lambda is equal to this h divided by under root, this h divided by under root twice mk, right, divided by twice mk, that is lambda is proportional to under root k. Lambda is proportional to under root k, where k is kinetic energy of electron. So we have lambda b upon lambda a. This will be equal to under root of ka, inversely proportional divided by kb, right? Or we can have this, देखिए lambda b यहाँ given है, lambda b upon lambda is equal to 2. So we have 2 is equal to, now this k kinetic energy, this is Ta right? And this is Kb is equal to Ta minus 1.5, Ta minus 1.5. So अगर इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं हम, अगर इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं तो दिस बिकम 4 इज इक्वल टू, ये अंडर रूट हट जाएगा, एंड देन वी हैव दिस विल गिव अस 4Ta minus 6 will be equal to Ta, right? And or we can say this 3Ta is equal to 6 or Ta is equal to 2 electron volt. So this Ta will be equal to 2 electron volt. Now this is for option C. This gives option C is correct one. Now again what we will see here, Wa is equal to, यहाँ से देखिए Wa is equal to this Wa is equal to Wb minus 1.95, right? तो यहाँ से आइए हम देखते हैं, here we have Wa is equal to 4.25 minus Ta. From 1 we can have this Wa is equal to how much? Okay, 4.25 minus Ta, right? Ta, W is equal to 4.25 minus Ta, and Ta का वैल्यू हम जानते हैं. What is the value of Ta? This is 2 electron volt. So we can write this is equal to minus 2. So this will be equal to 2.25 electron volt. So Wa is equal to 2.25 electron volt. So this option A is also correct, right? Now for Wb we know that this Wb will be equal to Wa plus 1.95, and Wa we have already calculated. This is 2.25 plus 1.95, right? 2.25 plus 1.95. So this will be equal to how much? This Wb will be equal to 4.2 electron volt. 4.20 electron volt. So Wb is equal to 4.20 electron volt. So this option B is also correct, right? And similarly, if we calculate this Tb, right here, from so this Tb will be equal to 4.70 minus Wb, right? Which is equal to 4.70 minus Wb 4.20, right? So this will be equal to 0.50 electron volt, right? And Tb is equal to 2.7 electron volt. So therefore this option D will be wrong. Okay, thank you.